On behalf of all the faculty, my faculty colleagues and everyone, we thank the alumni batch of 1971 for their magnanimous contribution towards the scholarship of 18 lakhs, and then NITRA has contributed around 1 crore. Okay, so now together it is 1 crore 18 lakhs 1111. So now this is a grand beginning of a big making.
फेब्रुआरी मासरे आसिले प्रोफेसर उमा महेश्वर राव आम इन्स्टिट्यूट अध्यक्ष भाव में से दिन ठार आमर माने आगुरी टिके मंथर थिला आमर प्रोग्रेस तापर ठार आमर वर्तमान आम जिते एनआईटी अच्छी भारत में वर्तमान सेकेंड पोजिशन पाइचु
निट्रा तरफ रू आम इन्स्टिट्यूट को किसी डेवलपमेंट दबू तो आम गोटे कोटी टंका वर्ड फिगर देलु किसी स्कॉलरशिप किसी रिसर्च डेवलपमेंट
एनआईटीआर एवं नित्रार इतिहास रे एक ऐतिहासिक दिन आल्मा माटर शिक्षानुष्ठान विकास पांठी एनआईटीआर डेवलपमेंट फंड पाई 1,01,111 टंकार एक पांठी प्रदान करिवार नित्रा बंधु मान को प्रोत्साहित एवं सहयोग करिथिबारु प्रोफेसर के उमाशंकर राव को निकट में गभीर कृतज्ञ। नित्रा डीएफ फंड अनुष्ठान एनआईटी राउरकेला हित पाई जेपरी वृत्ति प्रदान गवेषणा और विकास भित्तिभूमिर उन्नति इत्यादि प्रकल्प रे एई पांठीर उपयोग करि परिबे। अतीत रे योगदान व्यतीत नित्रार पक्षरु चिरस्थायी कृतज्ञतार एई नम्र प्रतीक केवल एक आरंभ मात्र। यह एक मूलपांठी भाव कार्य करिबो एवं सारा विश्व में व्यापी नित्रार पुरातन छात्र छात्री मानक योगदान सहित एई पांठी को निरंतर वृद्धि करिबा पाई अक्लांत प्रचेष्टा करिबा को प्रतिश्रुतिबद्ध। एई ऐतिहासिक मुहूर्तर अंशविशेष सेवार सुजोग देथिबारु निर्देशक नित्रा को श्रद्धासुमन धन्यवाद सह नित्रा एवं एनआईटीआर आल्मा मटर एवं तांकर चिरकृतज्ञ पुरातन छात्र छात्री मध्य थिबा सुदृढ़ और अविच्छेद्य संपर्क को उत्सवित करुछि। राउरकेला रिपोर्ट ओडिशा सिटी न्यूज।
Today it is a moment of great joy and pride that our alumni, the batch 1971, have contributed 1,11,111 rupees to NIT Development Fund.
It's not for NITRA. That is
NITRA. Okay.
They are giving 18 lakhs.
NITRA. And this is the beginning of a great happening in the years to come. And it gives me immense pleasure that we have really set a very good relationship with our alumni. And now just this is the symbol of what exactly is the relationship which we have now established with the our alumni NIT Rourkela. And I just take this opportunity to let everyone know that NIT Rourkela, established in 1961, 15th of August, and in its 65 years of its journey, it has really surmounted all the hurdles and crossed over various whatever the stumbling blocks it had, and today it has really acquired a very good position amongst the NITs. It is now standing at the rank second amongst the NITs. And then as far as which one of our alumni was telling, Mr. Gupta ji was telling about the research, and then in fact our faculty members have really done exceptional research. Today more than I think 40 plus or close to 50 of our faculty, their publications is really identified as in the top 2 in the Stanford the ranking. And so now apart from that one, it is not just about the publications, sir. Right, today we have something around 120 the patents which have really been acquired. It's not filed, the patents have we have obtained so many patents, and this is an indicative of that it is not just for academic purpose that we have really been publishing. It is translating into patents, and then very soon in the coming years some of these patents will be again transformed into the technology transfers, and then where I need all the industrial alumni here who are here, that that can be the beginning of innovation, entrepreneurship, and then not only that, and with so many industrialists around here, so now what I want is that this 4 years of stay of a BTech student, that should be the beginning of their entrepreneur research, entrepreneur activity. It is not just about their academics they are pursuing here, rather they will be pursuing parallelly their innovative ideas, and they should incubate their ideas with someone of you, they help, and then when they pass out from NIT Rourkela, they go with the degree, they go with the clarity in their mind that this is the project which I am going to really initiate as an entrepreneur. So this is exactly what I am really now conceiving, and for which this is the beginning. 1 crore is not a small amount, it's a huge amount. More than the amount that we have received, we have really established a indomitable relationship with our alumni, which is worthier than many millions. I feel really very happy that whatever the dreams that we had, dreams are fulfilled.
ଆଜିର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମରେ ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ଆଲୁମିନି ଆସୋସିଏସନ୍ ବହୁତ ଦିନରୁ ଭାବୁଥିଲୁ ନିଟ୍ରା ତରଫରୁ ଆମେ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍କୁ କିଛି ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଦେବୁ, ତ ଆମେ ଗୋଟିଏ କୋଟି ଟଙ୍କା ଅଡ୍ ଫିଗର ଦେଲୁ କିଛି ସ୍କଲାରସିପ୍ ପାଇଁ, କିଛି ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ। ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ 71 ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ର ଆମେ 18 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଲୁ ସ୍କଲାରସିପ୍ ପାଇଁ, 2ଟା ସ୍କଲାରସିପ୍ ପାଇଁ। ଏମିତି ଟୋଟାଲ୍ ଆଜି 1,18 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦିଆଗଲା। ତ ଏଇଟା ଆମର କନେକ୍ଟ ବଢ଼ିଲା, ଆମର ବି ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ରହିବ, ସେ ବି ଆଲୁମିନି ଫଣ୍ଡରେ ଆମକୁ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ଆମକୁ ବି ସ୍କୋପ୍ ମିଳିବ ଏବଂ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଏବଂ ପିଲାମାନେ ବି ଉପକୃତ ହେବେ।
ଫେବୃଆରୀ ମାସରେ ଆସିଲେ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଉମା ମହେଶ୍ୱର ରାଓ ଆମ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରେ ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷ ଭାବରେ ସେଇଦିନଠାରୁ ଆମର ମାନେ ଆଗରୁ ଟିକେ ମନ୍ଥର ଥିଲା ଆମର ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସ୍, ତାପରଠାରୁ ଆମର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଯେତେ NIT ଅଛି ଭାରତରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 2nd ପୋଜିସନ୍ ପାଇଛୁ। ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଅଳ୍ପ ଦିନରେ ହୁଏତ ତାଙ୍କର ବୋଧହୁଏ ଫେବୃଆରୀ ମାସରେ ସେ ଅବସର ନେବେ, ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ 1st ପୋଜିସନ୍ ପାଇବୁ। ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁବେଳେ ଯେଉଁ ହସ ହସ ମୁହଁ ସେଇଟା ସଂକ୍ରାମକ, ସବୁଠି ସେ ଆନନ୍ଦର ସବୁ ଶୁଭ କାମ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ସବୁ ଶୁଭ ଯାହା ସବୁ ହେଇଛି ତାଙ୍କର ସ୍ପର୍ଶ ଅଛି। ଆଉ ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ଆମେ ଆଜି 1 କୋଟି ଦେଇକରି ଗୋଟେ କର୍ପସ୍ ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲୁ, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ବହୁତ ଦିନରୁ କରିବା ଉଚିତ ଥିଲା, ସେଇଟା ହେଲା, ସେ ବହୁତ ହେଲା। ଏବଂ 71 ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ 18 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଫାଇନାନ୍ସ ଫଣ୍ଡ ପାଇଁ, ଏବଂ ବହୁତ ଅଲରାଉଣ୍ଡ ମାନେ ଇନକ୍ଲୁସିଭ୍ ସବୁ ଦିଗରେ ସବୁ ଭାବରେ ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଆମର ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ଏତେ ବେଶୀ ହେଇଛି, ଆଉ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ପେପରରେ ବାହାରୁଛି। ପ୍ୟାଟେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଗବେଷଣାର ଉତ୍ତୁଙ୍ଗ ଅବସ୍ଥା। ତାପରେ ସବୁ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚରେ ଭଲ, ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଭଲ, ସବୁ ଦିଗରୁ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କେବେ ଭୁଲିବୁନି। ଆଜି ଦିନଟା ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ମରଣୀୟ ଦିନ।